First, let me show you how to earn $200 per day. Then I will show you how to earn $1,000 per day. You see, there is a problem in the market. There are hundreds of Shopify store owners who pay a lot of money to run their online stores for WooCommerce and dropshipping business. And they need the right product in their store in order to make their store profitable. And you can help them by finding those trending and profitable products using simplytrends.co and get paid as a freelancer, marketing, product, and web research assistant through sites like Upwork. Look at this. This person earns $20 per hour, another one $60 per hour, another one $25 per hour. Working 10 hours a day at $20 per hour rate, you will earn $200 per day. But honestly, that's not easy. It's another 9 to 5. But if you want to earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day in easier, simpler, and beginner-friendly system, just like us, with 95% work done for you, then check the bio and the first comment for detailed instruction. You have Epic free to start. Link is in the description to make videos. Epic is our video creation software that makes videos without cameras and microphones using image and text. Epic turns text into natural sounding voiceover. Epic writes the script using artificial intelligence. Everything is included inside Epic, and Epic has the ability to take any text right here. I just paste the text here, and if I click submit, immediately all these sections will be generated. Each of these sections will be each paragraph of the text. And also links are in the description for all details. And let me quickly show you how to just upload a file, a text file, and make a video just like. So let's say you have a story or a script for your video written in a text file, and the text file is saved in your hard drive. Epic makes bite-sized videos in tiny little bit sections right here. Now you don't have any section, but in 1 second there will be. I will go to the text section and go to the text file to video section and click this upload text file button. Then click choose file. So I will select this file and click open and then click submit. And in a matter of seconds on the right hand side you see all these tiny sections. Click on them and you see each paragraph is on the canvas. Here is an awesome part why we don't use microphone when we use Epic and why Epic is completely beginner friendly, because there is an audio section. If you want to upload your audio or voiceover file, super awesome, or you can record your voice directly through your microphone, or you can go to the text to audio section where you can click add and paste any text. That text will turn into natural sounding voiceover in just one click. So we don't need to record ourselves. Give it a title, select the quality, select the voiceover type, and just one click, the voiceover will be ready. Let me do it. Click, the voiceover is ready. Now go to the text to audio section and play. If you want to preview, play.
Only one word can be used to describe Squid Game: intense. The entire show is on an entirely new level.
I can pause it, I can just click add, and immediately it's added to this slide. And because we make our videos in small sections and we can save our work and come back later to finish this work, it's a completely lazy process. Now I can add any image from my library just in one click. Here it is. Or I can copy the link of any image and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be loaded on the canvas. How cool is that? Let me delete it, and instead of copying the address, let's copy the image from another site. So copy image, and I will click here, paste here, click upload, and immediately the image is in my library just in one click. I can use the image, talk about it, make a section of the video. And this way I can go on and on. I can save my project, come back later, add more section if I want in the same process. And once I'm happy with my section or the whole video, I'll simply click one render button and the video will be ready in the background. This is how we make videos for 20 plus channels. So we don't need to stress about shooting long video and a tedious editing process. It's life made easy for complete beginners. So we can make videos. My 6-year-old son can make videos. Any beginner, team member, and Epic users make videos in just clicks, drags, drops, etc. So our videos are story-based, informative, educational, but it takes only a few minutes to build. That gets us thousands of clicks. Now all the helps are in this help page, and even there is a document training for quick guidance. All the softwares we have talked about are free to start. Links are in the description. Go grab them. Or you can just browse epic.ai. Links are in the description. I'm going to show you how to earn $1,000 a day to $5,000 a day from affiliate marketing. But before that, product research and market research type of freelancing job can pay you $20 per hour to $60 per hour, because Shopify owners pay a lot of money per month to run their e-commerce or dropshipping business. And you can do the market research job by using simplytrends.co web app. It's free to start, by the way. With this app, you can find the accurate product sales insights for any Shopify store, including your client's competitor store. Help your clients and get paid like this. This is a good work, but $20 per hour will pay you maximum $200 per day after working 10 hours per day. That's why we do affiliate marketing, and we earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day with 30 minutes of work and 95% work done for you. To know more about our system, check the instructions in the bio and in the first comment. A lot of people asking me in the comment, if I'm making all that money, $1,000 to $5,000 a day, that I show in my videos, then why do I even make videos? The answer is, well, before I give you answer, let me show you something. This is a video, and this video is nothing but a black background and text and voiceover. This video has got 24,000 likes and 240,000 views. You look at our money, all our money came from video views, and video views turn into clicks. Every click pay us $1.70 to way up to $8.58, and that's how we earn money, and you can do it too. Our system is simple, easy, and beginner friendly, and 95% done for you. To know more detail, go to the instruction in the bio and in the first comment. Here is an easy way to earn $1,000 to $5,000 just like us. Make simple and helpful videos. And if you hate camera, do this. Look at this video. This video is nothing but a black background and text on top. And this video has got 24,000 likes and 0.2 million views. This is how we earn money. All our views turn into clicks on affiliate links, and we earn $1 to 70 cents to $8.58 from every click. And this is the secret of our simple affiliate marketing system. But to earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day, you need to do a little different, a little easier, and a little simpler. And to know about how we earn $1,000 to $5,000 per sale, go to the instruction in the bio and in the first comment. To earn $1,000 to $5,000 per sale in affiliate commissions, you have to earn high ticket products that pay out $1,000 to $5,000 per sale in affiliate commissions. I will show you how in a moment, but before that, let me show you how to start. Go to kursa.app. In this site, you will find hundreds of courses for free. Learn this free cookery course by none other than Gordon Ramsay, and you will get a certificate for that. Start your own cooking channel on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and get thousands if not millions of views and subscribers. In our case, views turn into clicks in our affiliate links, and each click pays us $1.70 to way up to $8.58. which make us all this money. To begin with, you can promote Amazon products as an affiliate to your audience, or you can promote ClickBank cooking related or diet related product as an affiliate. But unfortunately, none of these programs will pay you $1,000 to $5,000 per sale commission. In order to earn this kind of money, especially $1,000 per sale commission, you need to promote high ticket products. Yes, we do that, but we use a much simpler, easier, and beginner friendly way to promote these offers. To know what we do, check the instructions in the bio and in the first comment. Let's make $1,000 to $5,000 a day from affiliate marketing just like us. Step number 1, go to kursa.app, and here you can get hundreds of courses for free. You can even get certificate for completion of your courses. I want you to focus on a free online course by none other than Gordon Ramsay. Yes, you will get certificate. Step number 2, start your own cooking channel and get millions of views and subscribers. Step number 3, promote Amazon cooking related products as an affiliate and earn money. And step number 4, promote cooking and diet related ClickBank products and earn money. But unfortunately, all of these are low ticket products that will not make you a lot of money. In order to earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day per sale, in our method, you have to promote high ticket products. Pay out $1,000 to $5,000 per sale commissions. And we use an easier, simpler, and beginner friendly method which is 95% done for you to earn this kind of money. And you can do it too. To know more, check the instructions in the bio and in the first comment. One of the easiest ways to earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day, just like us, is to use videos and affiliate marketing. But don't worry, you don't have to make videos. Go to YouTube and search with the keyword, click this filters button and select Creative Commons. All the videos you see are free to download. You can use this website loader.to to copy a video URL, paste it here, select your format and just click download. Then upload it as your own, put your affiliate link in the description and in the bio and ask your viewers to click your links. In our case, we earn $1.70 to $8.58 from each click, and all our clicks make us money. Wait, there is a big fat but. A lot of bad people upload other people's copyright protected videos as Creative Commons, and if you download them and upload them as your video, they might take legal action against you. So don't do that. Instead, use our simple, beginner friendly and 95% work done for you system to earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day. Full instruction is in the bio and in the first comment. Let's make $1,000 a day in passive affiliate commissions. Step number 1, go to loader.to. Here you can copy any video URL, paste right here, and you can download this video in all different formats, including 4K. Now, before you press this download button, why would you even download a YouTube video? You see, when you search with any keyword on YouTube, click the filter option and you will be able to filter only Creative Commons videos. Now, these videos can be downloaded and used as your own. Wait, before you actually do that. Yes, a lot of people teach you this, but don't do this, because a lot of other YouTubers simply download copyright protected videos and upload as Creative Commons. So chances are these videos are actually copyright protected, and if you download them and use them as your own videos, you might get sued. Instead of trying to steal other people's videos, use your phone camera or my artificial intelligence software, which is free to start. Link is in the bio and in the first comment. And in the same place, you will also get free training on how we earn $1,000 to $2,000 a day in passive affiliate commissions, working 30 minutes of our time per day and 95% work done for you. Check the instructions in the bio and in the first comment. If you want to earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day from affiliate marketing just like us, then stay tuned. But before we get there, I want to show you this Forbes article where it says cybersecurity can be one of the top career choice in 2023. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, cybersecurity has become the responsibility of all the team members of a company. So everyone needs this knowledge. You can start learning from free or paid courses from sites like Udemy, Simply Learn, or Skillshare, then apply from thousands of job vacancies all over the world. But this will take a little bit of time. Learning a new skill, then actually implement it in the work, get a job, make money. In the meantime, you can use our system to earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day from affiliate marketing. It's easy, simple, beginner friendly, and 95% done for you. For full details, check the instruction in the bio and in the first comment.